what can you tell us about this tree? This old tree doesn't give walnuts for a long time, and they don't know the reason. Let me ask the tree. This walnut tree is a very old one. It's been here for 200 years. Actually, people used to treat it very nice and respectfully. But people who have come here lately made too much noise and left all of their garbage everywhere when they left. Then it got sad and stopped giving out fruit.
Maybe it'll be happy if we pick up the trash around it.
Absolutely! We need to show all the love we have to this tree.
Aha, look here, it's a walnut tree. I told you that there was one here, you guys. But when did all of you find...
Oh, what a shame people left their garbage here. We've known this tree for years, right, darling? Look what they've done to it.
We got so upset as well and decided to clean the garbage, Mommy.
Bravo, my tiny scouts. There are garbage bags in the van. Let's put every bit of trash in them.
They come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.